Today I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna treat your oral cavity and get better with your tartar or any kind of oral problems. In this way you remove dental plaque and tartar. Plaque is formed as a result of the accumulation of bacteria in the oral cavity. Dental plaque and calculus can cause cavities, gingivitis. Most people are not aware that toothpastes or mouthwashes are full of chemicals. And today I want to teach you the best natural way to get your teeth and oral cavity in best possible natural way. The best thing for healthy teeth is the teeth brushing. The mechanical part of brushing is the main reason why we have sick or healthy teeth. Today I will give you my special recipe for natural toothpaste that you're gonna wash your teeth and wash your mouth and you get perfect healthy teeth and also oral cavity. We will add something mildly abrasive to our recipe, which will be baking soda. We will mix baking soda with few other very important ingredients, and we will have perfect way to help the health of the oral cavity. My recipe will include couple very healthy ingredients. First is baking soda. Second one will be coconut oil. Third one is one of my favorites. It will be spice that is called Ceylon cinnamon. My recipe for toothpaste and oral health is 4 small spoons of organic coconut oil, 2 to 4 small spoons of baking soda, 1 small spoon of xylitol powder or stevia, and 1 small spoon of Ceylon cinnamon. All these ingredients you put in 1 glass jar with a lid and you mix it well together. Coconut oil and Ceylon cinnamon naturally destroy harmful bacteria and gently protect the teeth and oral cavity. You can use organic ginger powder instead of Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon had so good health properties, also is very aromatic. But if you want to choose, you can choose Ceylon cinnamon, or maybe you could switch it and use organic ginger powder. Both of these natural ingredients, it will be so good for your oral health. Add natural sweeteners such stevia or xylitol to the paste, because the paste will be healthier and give you better taste in the mouth. This toothpaste can also be used by children. Use this toothpaste twice a day to remove tartar and plaque and naturally preserve the health of the teeth and natural composition, of course, and health of the oral cavity. Use toothpaste and brush your teeth for the 15 consecutive days. After 15 consecutive days, give yourself a rest 15 next days. After that, you can repeat all this procedure again. And this is one of the best toothpaste that you can imagine, and it's going to preserve your oral health. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mariolab Center in Croatia at +385 98 9179 200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mariolab Center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.